helping us to promote this hotel. So just to tell you about the Tamarind Hotel. Tamarind Hotel is one of the iconic hotel in Goa, which has been quite famous already here. So we have now rebranded this hotel as the Tamarind Zinc Journey by the Fern. So quickly I would like to introduce people on the podium here. So with me on the left hand side is Rajiv Kumar, who is the area GM of our Goa hotels. Then we have Mr. Naushir Mafatia, who is our Senior Vice President Sales and Marketing for the entire India. And we have Prasad Bal, who heads our online team and strategic revenue. I'm Kevin Martin, I'm the General Manager Sales and Marketing for the Western region of India. Now I will just play a small quick video about this hotel, which will give you an entire synopsis of the new change we have done. So now I will just tell Rajiv to quickly tell you about this hotel, what all facilities we have, which all hotels he is taking care of.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you so much to spare your precious time with us for the relaunch of this Tamarind brand tie-up along with the Fun Hotels and Resorts. Tamarind founded by late Dr. Luis Barbosa. He was the tourism minister at 1988. Since then, this property with ultra-modern luxury facilities and a state-of-the-art amenities has been running successfully, and finally Fun Hotels and Resorts has acquired and done a tie-up with the ownership, and we are managing this hotel now. Tamarind is a 27 rooms property with state-of-the-art facility. It's a Portuguese iconic stone wall property with good amenities and supplies, which will serve to this hospitality bed. It has a 21-hour running daily restaurant, Cafe Cotinga, which do not require any introduction. It's a very famous restaurant, serves multi-cuisine food along with an array of drinks right from morning 7 o'clock till morning 3 o'clock. Beside that, we have 24 hours in-room dining facilities and housekeeping facilities. We do have a travel desk assistance for any kind of sightseeing, pick-up, drop from airport and railway stations. We do have a foreign currency exchange and every other small and big facility which a tourist required for his convenient and a flexible stay at Goa. That's it.
Now I would like to introduce Mr. Naushir Mafatia, who is the Senior Vice President of our company. He will tell you about our company growth and what are the further strategic tie-ups we are going to have.
Hi, good morning. So, the Fern Hotels and Resorts is India's leading environmentally friendly, environmentally sensitive hotel chain. We have over 90 hotels in 75 locations and over 5,000 plus rooms in India and in Nepal. So we are not a very old company. We are only about 12, 13 years old, but we have been very famously established all over India. Our largest presence is in the west, in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. So with over 90 hotels, we have 13 hotels in North India. We have 9 hotels in Rajasthan, 26 hotels in Gujarat, Daman and Diu, 8 hotels in Mumbai, 15 hotels in the rest of Maharashtra, 8 hotels in South India, 4 hotels in Eastern India, and 5 hotels internationally. 1 in Nepal, in Bharatpur, Chitwan, and 4 on the island of Seychelles. And in Goa, we started off with our flagship, the Fern Kadamba Hotel in Old Goa, Panjim, where Rajiv was the general manager. We then have the Fern Kesarwal Hotel in Verna. We've taken over the La Paz Hotel in Vasco and rebranded it as the La Paz Gardens Beacon. And we have the Fern Residency in Miramar. And as of October, Rajiv Kumar is now the area general manager of all these hotels. So he's based in Kadamba, but he oversees all these hotels. So this year we have launched this new brand called Zinc. And whilst the Fern Hotels and Resorts is an environmentally sensitive brand, the Zinc is a more lifestyle oriented brand. So it's a fun, hip, happening brand. And the first Zinc resort is this one, the Tamarind Zinc Journey. The second resort that we are opening in 15 days time is in Lonavala, the Zinc Journey in Lonavala. And so this is the 5th hotel in Goa. And then by the end of December, we are opening our 6th hotel in Goa, which is in Kandolim, which is again a new brand, which is going to be the Fern Habitat. So we are expanding in a big way. Goa is very, very key to our growth story. And earlier, of course, I mean, you all know better than me, Goa used to be a very seasonal stay experience. Today, Goa is a 365-degree holiday. So 365 days, Goa is full. There are different people who come to Goa for different experiences. So you have people coming for the summer holidays, you have people coming who love to come only in the monsoons. Of course, you have people coming in the winters over Christmas, New Year period. And Anjuna today is one of the most happening belts, as you all know. These are all stages. So at one time you had Baga, that was the place to be. Then you had Kandolim, Kalangut. Today Anjuna is the place to be. And we are maybe the only, if not, I mean, we are one of a few, if not the only hotel in this area that is open till 3 in the morning, 7 days a week. So not only do we have our regular guests who come and stay with us, but it's very, very popular for a lot of people who are staying outside, staying in other hotels, staying in individual villas or apartments, who come here for the dining experience. And now with this rebranding as the Zinc Journey, we will be giving them a very different wow experience. Our tagline for the Zinc hotels is do the unexpected. So in everything that we do, we want to do a little bit differently, a little bit giving them that wow unexpectedness each time they come and stay with us. So we'll be taking you on a round of the property after any question answers that you might have, and you'll see even the room experiences are different. So a guest who's coming regularly with us can stay in different types of rooms and get a different experience each time. It's not like some cookie cutter hotel where all the rooms are same and standard. Just maybe the colors are different. Here, every room is distinct, the bathroom types are distinct, which we'll show you. So it gives them an opportunity to have a new experience every time they come and stay with us. So if there are any question or answers that you have, you can answer that now, and then we'll take you on a round of the property.
गोवा में ये 5वां होटल है।
हाँ जी।
बाकी के जगह से गोवा का क्या ख्याल है और बाकी के गोवा में जो होटल है उनके बारे में?
सॉरी,
बाकी जगह हाँ, तो हमारा फ्लैगशिप होटल गोवा में जो है वो है फर्न कदम्बा, वो ओल्ड गोवा में है। तो वो होटल हमारा पहला होटल यहाँ था और हमारा मोस्ट टॉप ऑफ द रेंज 5-स्टार डिलक्स होटल वो है जो राजीव जी जनरल मैनेजर है वहाँ। उसके बाद हमारा एक दूसरा होटल है द फर्न केसरवाल होटल एंड स्पा जो वेरना में है। वो भी एक बहुत पुराना आइकॉनिक होटल था। केसरवाल गार्डन्स जो थे वहाँ जेनरेशंस गोवन फैमिलीज जेनरेशन से वहाँ उनकी शादी होती थी। तो ग्रैंडफादर की शादी केसरवाल गार्डन में हुई, फादर की शादी केसरवाल गार्डन में हुई, अभी सन की शादी केसरवाल गार्डन में हो रही है। तो वो होटल हमने अभी लिया है और ओनरशिप के साथ हम जॉइंटली वो रन कर रहे हैं। वो मोर बिजनेस होटल है क्योंकि वो वेरना इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया से बहुत कॉर्पोरेट्स आते हैं, बहुत क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट भी सिर्फ 10-15 मिनट की दूर है। तो बहुत सारे ट्रांजिट बिजनेस वहाँ आता है, कॉर्पोरेट बिजनेस आता है और थोड़ा लीजर बिजनेस भी आता है वहाँ।
तीसरा होटल हमारा है मीरामार में, द फर्न रेजिडेंसी, जो हमारा मिड स्केल फर्न ब्रांड है। चौथा है लापास गार्डन्स बीकन, जो वास्को में है। वो भी एक बहुत पुराना एस्टैब्लिश होटल है, सलगांवकर का होटल है। और वो होटल हमारा बीकन ब्रांड, जो हमारा इकोनॉमी ब्रांड है, वो हमने वहाँ खोला है। और वो होटल अभी हम अपग्रेड करते हैं थोड़ा ऊपर लेने के लिए। पांचवा होटल ये है, टैमरिन जिंग जर्नी। और छठा होटल आएगा कांदुलिम में, द फर्न हैबिटेट।
How many rooms are there in this?
In this hotel? So here we have 27 rooms, but we have provision to expand. So the idea is that we will be expanding another 10-15 rooms in the next phase.
बिजनेस के अलावा सोशल एक्टिविटीज होती है क्या कुछ
कहाँ?
तुम्हारे होटल पे?
हाँ, बहुत।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम फर्स्ट इको सेंसिटिव प्रॉपर्टी हैं। वी बिलीव इन इको टूरिज्म, जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा हार्डली प्रोवाइड, दे आर हार्डली एक्सेप्टेड अस। तो हमारे हर प्रॉपर्टीज में एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन और इन्वायरमेंट को सेव करने के लिए और हर तरह की प्रैक्टिसेस विच रिलेट्स टू इन्वायरमेंट है वो रहती है। इसके अलावा यस, हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में बहुत एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और हमारे बजट का एक काफ़ी अच्छा हिस्सा इसके लिए होता है। हर महीने हमारी एक्टिविटी होती है जिसमें हम उस सोसाइटी और उस कम्युनिटी को हेल्प और असिस्टेंट देते हैं जिन्हें रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, जिनको हेल्प की आवश्यकता होती है। हम हर तरह के, हमारा टाइप गोवा प्रोटोकॉल से है, तो गवर्नमेंट एक्टिविटी में हम हमेशा पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। और बीच क्लीनिंग ड्राइव हो गया या किसी भी तरह की सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ हो गए, सेंट जेवियर स्कूल है ओल्ड गोवा में, हम वहाँ पर सपोर्ट करते हैं। क्रिस्टल हाउस, हर तरह के ऑर्फनेज, ओल्ड एज होम, हम हर तरह के एरियाज और हर तरह के जो सोशली एक्टिविटी है जहाँ पर उनको रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, हम सपोर्ट करते हैं थ्रू आउट द ईयर।
अगर आप देखने जाएंगे इन ऑल ऑफ आवर 4 होटल्स और 5 होटल्स, हम जो गार्बेज सैग्रीगेशन भी करते हैं, जो विच इज द मेजर डंप इन ऑल ऑफ दीज होटल्स, वी सैग्रीगेट इनटू 4 बिन्स इन आवर होटल। तो ऐसे भी नहीं है कि हम एक साथ वी ट्राई टू मैच ऑल दी एनवायरमेंट सेंसिटिव, एंड दैट इज आवर मेजर गोल। तो अगर आप देखोगे आज गोवा में हमारे पास चारों ब्रांड अवेलेबल है। वी हैव द फर्न रेसिडेंसी, we are having the Zinc Journey, and we have Beacon Hotel. So all 4 brands are easily available to cater all different type of clients in Goa. So that is going to be our strength. 6th hotel, and the 6th hotel which Naushad sir has said in Kandulam, which will be coming up, that is the Fern Habitat. That is going to be an Apato hotel of ours, which will be catering into the studio category rooms, into 1 BHK, 2 BHK, targeting the family crowd which is coming here, the age group what comes to Goa here in terms of managing with their baggages and everything. So we have made categorized room that way. So that will be another brand of ours very soon coming up in the month of December of Jan.
Since how long is running this from this hotel brand, sir?
So we started the Fern Hotels in 2009. 2009 से अब तक so we started with 3 and 4 hotels. Today we are over 90 hotels. और जो हमारे क्योंकि हमारा पांचों जो hotels है या गोवा में, they are of different categories and segments. तो हमारे guest segments भी different types के हैं. तो in some of the hotels we are more corporate guests, business guests. आप कदम्बा देखो या आप केसरबाग देखो, वहाँ there are more corporate guests. Leisure guests भी आते हैं, but it's more conference oriented and then social functions. Kadamba में there are a lot of weddings, lot of government functions, chief minister functions are happening all the time in Kadamba. That is one. फिर अगर आप ये होटल देखोगे तो this is pure leisure, no corporates. आज because this is we are wearing suits, otherwise हम suits में भी नहीं थे. कल तक तो हम jeans और t-shirts में थे. तो it's a very very fun brand. और as a group, since we have 90 hotels, हमारे relationships भी बहुत strong है, both online and offline. तो online जो है हमारा वो OTA relationships जो है, वो प्रसाद बाल is our general manager for that. He looks after the entire online segment. तो जो भी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस है, जो भी प्रमोशंस, टाई अप्स, आप मेक माई ट्रिप से देखो, booking.com देखो, अगोडा देखो, क्लियर ट्रिप देखो, वो सब प्रसाद एंड हिज टीम हैंडल्स दैट. जो ऑफलाइन है, ट्रैवल एजेंट्स, दे आर बिग पार्टनर्स विद अस. कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंट्स फॉर कॉन्फ्रेंसेस एंड माइस सोशल गैदरिंग्स, वो सब केविन एंड हिज टीम look up. So we have very comprehensive team, with an online team and an offline team working together for all these hotels together.
गोवा में ऑल टुगेदर आपको रिस्पांस कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है. सी गोवा भी अभी 20 साल पहले, 10-15 साल पहले जो भी होटल्स थे, दे वर वेरी सीजनल होटल.